Does anybody else like wearing masks because it covers their ugly face up? Because I'm definitely one of those people. Give me a thumbs up if you are the same. It fogs the glasses up though. Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I thought I'd give a quick update on my health. You may have noticed that I've started posting videos again. They're a little bit sporadic, but I'm making them when I can. And I'm making this video because I watched a video that Stu from UAV Futures made, how he's struggling this year during lockdown making videos with his mood. And I was exactly in the same place. So you're not alone, Stu. And I was at that point and no one else really was there with me. I had a lot of great people around me who understood what was happening. I've been through it before. I've had it, pretty much my adult life, but it's never been as bad as it has this year. And it took a while to adjust and realize what I needed to do to get better. The first thing was go to the doctors, which wasn't easy in lockdown because, doctors were just a phone call. You couldn't go to the doctors. You still can't now. But I got on some medication because that's really all I could do. You couldn't see someone face to face with therapy, but the doctor set me up with some phone therapy. So I get a call once a week just to check how I'm doing and how I'm progressing. I knew I had to get better because I was just in that position. I couldn't make videos. I went probably a month without sleeping and I had to go on sleeping tablets, but I'm off those now. I'm still on a medication called citalopram, which really helps. But something else that really helped was having great friends around me. My friend Phil, who I'm actually driving to right now, we are a member of a flying club, and every week he would check and just see whether I could get out of bed and go flying. And one week it'd be no, the next week it'd be no, and then I just had one day where I felt a little bit better. I had nothing to look forward to. Many people didn't in lockdown, other than watching the news and just, getting angry at it. It makes you worse. Just stop all of the news. It's just awful. So once I'd realized that finding joy in things was the key, for me at least anyways, but I'm sure people can relate to it, my friend Phil got me out to the field and I flew and I absolutely loved it. I slept like a baby that night and it sort of sparked something in me to say, you need to turn the cameras off when flying. You need to have joy when you're going out flying, because when we were in lockdown, I think we had about an hour a day that we could exercise, and I used that to do my flying to make videos, but there was no joy in it. It was very stressful. All of the time I was like, am I being out longer than my allotted time? And if people walk past and I had to start the video again, I'd get angry. There was just no joy in flying. And so, funnily enough, the thing that saved me was the thing that saved me the last time, and that was FPV, man. You really just got to get out there when your friends drag you out there. Don't have the cameras on. Don't think, I got to get a great shot. I got to have my perfect flight because it's got to go on a video. And that was the turning point for me. And I'm here now. I'm here, every other day driving, and I'm making this video now, but there's no intentions whatsoever to turn a camera on to a quad or a plane. Eventually I started doing that, but yeah, just take some time for yourself, and this goes for everybody as well. It is a really tough, really hard year. I know a lot of people say it, but I don't think there's anything to be ashamed about if you are struggling, because man, I couldn't make videos for 2 months. I struggled to get out of bed. I wasn't sleeping. There's no motivation because there's no joy in it. You gotta get the joy back in your life, because I never thought I would get better. That's the one thing that goes through your mind constantly. I'm never gonna get better. This is just awful. But in the end, it does. You just gotta act upon it. It's really difficult, me saying this to myself, even just 2 weeks ago, I'd have just laughed at you, but it's true. You do get better, so hang in there. Everybody hang in there. Enjoy yourself as much as you can and just forget everything else. So that's my advice. Anyways, I'm at the flying field now, so I'm gonna go and enjoy some flying. I'll see you later. Cheers. Oh, there's a Chinook over there. I'm not sure what they're carrying. Oh, here we go, he's closer. I've never seen that, have you?
I've never seen two together.
It's so quiet and peaceful. Perfect.